Shiba Inu started out as a joke coin created for the community, but has quickly turned into a multi-billion-dollar project that would probably fall under the speculative category. However, this channel is focused on providing the facts and ideas without biases or rumors. So as much as possible, we will keep our opinions out of this video and let you decide based on as much true, factual, and whole information that we can fit in this video. Welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education, and here we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. In this video, we are going to explain what the Shiba Inu token is, why it's been growing at an incredible pace, and what it will take to reach the price of 1 penny. First off, let's make sure you understand the difference between a coin and a token. I'm going to assume that you already know what a blockchain is, and you should know that there are many different blockchains out there. Ethereum is one, Binance Smart Chain is another, Polygon has a blockchain, even Dogecoin has its own blockchain. Now, each blockchain has its own coin, and that's where we get the Ethereum coin, the BNB coin, and the Matic coin, and so on from. However, on some of these blockchains, you can create tokens that are not coins because they don't help run the blockchain, but they act like a coin, so they're called a token. They utilize the power, the security, and the upkeep of the main blockchain so that they don't have to focus on their own blockchain. And like I said earlier, they act just like the main coin, except they aren't. Shiba Inu is a token on the Ethereum network, meaning it's not on its own blockchain, it runs on Ethereum. This means there's no such thing as a Shiba Inu coin, it's technically a Shiba Inu token. I've seen a lot of confusion about that from newcomers and wanted to clear it up. SHIB is a token on the Ethereum network. Meanwhile, Dogecoin is an actual blockchain to all its own. So now that we're through that distinction, let's get into why Shiba is called the Dogecoin killer. If you don't already know, Dogecoin is a meme coin that started a long time ago to poke fun at Bitcoin and show that anyone could copy the code with some changes. Dogecoin started to pick up some speed in the past few years, and during the last year alone, it has really grown in popularity. Since Dogecoin is its own blockchain, and it's kind of a copy of Bitcoin, it doesn't really have the cool upgrades that Ethereum has. Something called smart contracts. Smart contracts allow people to do many more things on the blockchain network than just send money back and forth. For example, smart contracts allow users to create new tokens. You can't do that on the Bitcoin or the Dogecoin blockchain. Smart contracts also allow users to create applications like decentralized exchanges where you can swap your tokens. We're already getting off topic, so if you want to learn more about decentralized finance, smart contracts, and how decentralized applications work, check out our other videos. I promise once you watch a few, the algorithm will start to feed you more. Anyways, the Shiba Inu token can utilize smart contracts. You can do things with it that you can't do on Dogecoin, like lend it out, or let other people trade with it while you collect their fees. This is why they claim to be the Dogecoin killer. You can just do a lot more with it. Moving on, how did they get started? Well, in August of 2020, a synonymous developer called Ryoshi started the project as an experiment in community governance, meaning a test of how a community could decide on changes. Now, an anonymous friend helped Ryoshi set up the smart contract token and also invested 10 Ethereum in an Ethereum and SHIB pair on Uniswap. This meant that people could give Uniswap some Ethereum and actually buy SHIB. Again, check out our videos on liquidity pools and how automated market makers work if you're super curious about how all this stuff actually works. Anyways, around mid-March of 2021, Elon Musk made a tweet about getting a Shiba Inu dog, which somehow caused the price to increase by 300%. Something interesting that the Shiba Inu developers did was give half of literally every SHIB token out there to Vitalik Buterin, who created Ethereum. They knew his wallet address, and they literally just sent him a ton of SHIB tokens. Many say this is for advertising purposes, so that the developers could go, hey look, Vitalik owns some of our tokens, then that means he believes in it. When in reality, you can send him any of your tokens you want, and it doesn't necessarily mean that they bought it. Eventually, Vitalik took some of these Shiba Inu tokens, sold them, and then donated the money that he got to charity. The rest of the tokens that he didn't sell, around 90% of what he was given, he burned. Burning a token is a phrase used whenever a person sends their tokens to a wallet that nobody else has access to, meaning that those tokens are gone forever. Here's the important part though. Vitalik burned around $6.7 billion of Shiba Inu tokens. Next up, one of the unique things that we can do since SHIB is an Ethereum token is offer holders rewards for doing certain things with it. For example, Shiba Swap actually gives out rewards for people who provide liquidity to specific Shiba Inu pairs. They call providing liquidity digging. Whenever you provide your tokens for traders to use, Uniswap has to give you something back to prove that you actually have ownership of that liquidity pool. What they give you is called liquidity pool tokens. Why is this important? Well, ShibaSwap actually rewards users who take their liquidity pool tokens and lock them up. This way, we know that the liquidity will be there for a while. Now, technically, you can withdraw your locked tokens at any time, so I'm not sure why they don't just reward all liquidity providers. Maybe you can answer in the comments below. However, when you stake or lock up your liquidity provider tokens, they call this burying. When you bury your LP tokens, you start to earn bones. Now, bones are simply just another Ethereum token that is a governance token for ShibaSwap. This means if you hold one bone, you get one vote on changes that happen to the project. Most people earn them and then immediately sell them, but some people buy and hold them. Now, this is where it starts to get weird. You can actually bury and stake these bones too, but that's just too deep for this video. See what I did there? The reality is that they are inflationary in the beginning, so any economics students know what that means for the price. It's gonna go down. This isn't financial advice though. Since you're still watching this video, I'm gonna let you in on a tiny secret about providing liquidity. If you create a project and the price of your coin greatly increases in price, and you still hold some of that project's coin, you might be thinking, wow, we should cash out. The problem is that if the liquidity is low, when you trade your tokens on Uniswap, you'll crash the price. Unless you can get other people to provide liquidity. Then when you dump a bunch of tokens at once, the price doesn't crash as much. This way you can sell more of your tokens at a higher price. Now, I might make an entire video about this, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because this topic definitely applies to coins and tokens other than Shiba Inu. Anyways, just keep all this in mind if you're interested in providing liquidity to SHIB. I was also going to mention a little bit in this video about Shiba Inu NFTs, but that part of the project isn't completed yet, so I don't really want to talk about it. Now, there are a few other things that I do want to talk about in this video. The first one is, let's talk about those videos that say, what if SHIB goes to 1 cent? Or even more daringly, what if SHIB goes to $1? Now, I'm not here to say that that will not happen, but I am here to clarify what it would take for that to happen. First of all, market cap is a term used to compare cryptocurrency assets, and is generally used to describe the average price of each coin. You get this number by multiplying the current price of the asset by how many circulating assets there are. Right now, the Shiba Inu token is worth around 0.00005, and the market cap is 21 billion. This means if the price goes to 1 penny, that means the total market cap would be $4 trillion, which is over the total amount of all money in every cryptocurrency ever, including Bitcoin. If it goes to $1, that would mean the market cap is 400 trillion, which is way more than every house in the entire United States put together. Again, I'm not saying this is impossible, but I want to give you the clear facts and let you decide. The next thing I want to talk about is all-time highs, since Shiba Inu token has been hitting all-time highs quite a bit lately. Did you know when a coin or token hits a new all-time high, it means that everyone holding the coin is in profit? Think about that. It means you're assuming everyone out there is willing to hold on to their profitable asset, even those that probably need money today to pay their bills. Anyways, it's difficult to hit all-time highs as consistently as Shiba Inu has, so make sure that if you invest that it's for a good reason, as I personally know many friends who have invested only because they think the price will go up. It seems to me that too many people are trying to make money without actually creating value, and that usually results in a big crash, but I'm not saying that is what will happen, just restating what happens in history. The last thing I wanted to share with you is a little psychological, and it's that many developers will make a ton of tokens out there so that the price is very small, even if there's a lot of money in it. The Shiba Inu token has $21 billion in it, and the price is still fractions of a fraction of a penny. Don't be fooled by these tricks. The percentage change to go from 1 penny to 2 penny is just as much to go from $100 to $200, even though your brain thinks that it's more difficult and more space to cover since the numbers are bigger. It's very unlikely that Shiba Inu would ever hit $1, and if it hits 1 penny, we can be sure that it would be in the news, since it would have a higher market cap than Tesla, which just hit $1 trillion and is creating massive value for hundreds of thousands of people in the world. Anyways, Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what the Shiba Inu token is and how it works. If you're interested how you can earn money by using decentralized finance technology and you're a beginner, you might want to check out whiteboardcrypto.com for our free guide. You can also find our weekly newsletter and some other cool projects that we're working on as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We really hope that you've learned something. And most of all, we hope to see you in our next video.